Hello, today we're taking a look at this electric pruning shears. So it comes in a nice hard protective carrying case. Little manual, blade sharpener, tool, oil. Power supply just takes a standard 2-prong power outlet. You get 2 batteries, which is definitely very nice. 21 volt, 2000 mAh. This is the unit itself. Do not touch the blades. So yeah, definitely don't touch the blades, guys. To turn it on and off, you just slide this to the left. Give it a couple seconds. To lock it, press the trigger and hold it until you hear a couple beeps. And then you can unlock it. So you can lock it and unlock it. Just like that, so it will stay closed, or press it again and hold. There we go. When you're done, definitely make sure you turn it off.